Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to swap Toncoin to USDT on your Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so for this case, I'm already on my Tonkeeper wallet. And for those who don't have the Tonkeeper wallet, make sure that you head over to your Google Play Store and then download the Tonkeeper wallet. Just come to the search bar over here and then download the Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, so after downloading the Tonkeeper wallet, you head back to your Tonkeeper wallet and then come over here on the interface. So for this case, for swapping the Toncoin into USDT, click on the swap menu over here. Okay, when you click on the swap button as I've shown you over there, then you give it time to load up. So for this case, you're swapping from what? You're swapping from Toncoin over here, as you can see, and then you're swapping to what? You're swapping to USDT. So this means you're going to swap from Ton to USDT. So you're sending the Ton and they give you back the USDT. So click on the receive button over here and then select the coin. So click on select and then select the USDT you want. So for this case, I'll select this USDT over here, which has the USDT, the Tether USDT. Okay, so click on that. Okay, so guys, take note, there are two USDT coins over here. If you come over here, you see there's the USDT Tether and there's the JUSDT. So I'll advise you to use the USDT Tether. Okay, so click on that and then after that, you click on the balance over here. So I'm assuming you have like 58 ton coins. So 58 ton coins are worth 391 USDT. So this means if you send your 58 ton coins over here, you receive an amount of 391 USDT. Okay, all right, so after that you just click on the swap button and you successfully swap Toncoin to USDT. So for my case, I have insufficient Toncoin, but that's the procedure. And thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.